Welcome back to another video today. I will be showing you everything you need to know before the Lightning V3 update. But before we get into the video, most of you are not even subscribed to the channel, so please like the video and hit that subscribe button. It really motivates me to make more content for you. Anyways, let's get back to the video. Okay, first, the release date for this update is projected to be on Sunday, which by the time this video is out should be today. Although I believe this update was delayed because of the developing crew being sick or unwell. So, depending on time zones, it's either today or tomorrow. Anyways, let me get into the sneak peeks now. New island confirmed in this update. This is what the dungeon map looks like. This is the game logo for the new update. Confirmed Enel boss, which will most likely drop accessories, and maybe the Lightning V3 scroll. Most likely the mode for the Lightning V3 fruit. Animation for one of the moves for Lightning V3. Anyways, that's all the leaks for this video. Remember, the update could be today or tomorrow depending on your time zone. Always remember to like and subscribe for more content like this. And I will see you in the next one.
Never see it come down.